Are you looking for the best drone under $150? In this video we will look at some of the best drone under $150 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SX1 Max GPS Drone. Equipped with 3-axis gimbal and EIS electronic image stabilization technology, effectively offsetting flight jitter, making aerial footage as smooth as silk and capturing every wonderful moment. 5G dual antenna digital image transmission, with both return distance and flight distance up to 5,000 meters. HD images are synchronized in real time, making distant scenery within reach. 7.4V 1600 mAh large capacity battery, single flight time up to 30 minutes, enjoy the fun of flight to the fullest without frequent charging. The body weight is only 237 g, avoiding the certification and registration requirements for drones over 250 g in most countries, making it more convenient to carry and fly more freely. No need to rely on mobile phones, the remote control is equipped with a 4.5-inch high-resolution display to view aerial footage in real time, making operation more intuitive and stable. Number 2. Lenovo V198 Max GPS Drone. V198 Max Pro drone features an 8K camera with GPS and brushless motors for smooth flight, plus advanced obstacle avoidance technology. GPS-enabled intelligent drone with 8K 2-axis pan-tilt camera, 360-degree laser obstacle detection, charging remote control, easy upgradability, and visual hover capabilities featuring brushless strong power. The V198 Max Pro drone features a pro-level dual camera system, marking a significant leap forward in imaging technology. Equipped with a powerful GPS positioning system and brushless motor, this drone allows 8K cameras to fully utilize their aerial capabilities. Easy to operate and control for beginners. The V198 Max Pro drone features 8K HD pixels, 90-degree remote GPS intelligent laser obstacle control, camera return avoidance, beauty shooting with optical flow, brushless 5G image localization and strong power transmission. Pro-level hardware upgrade offers a luxurious flying experience. Robust flight capabilities set it apart from traditional drones. With a focus on performance, this drone makes creation more comfortable and enjoyable, featuring high-definition video quality. The V198 Max Pro drone features 360 laser obstacle avoidance, allowing you to explore your flight path with reduced collisions thanks to its 4-way detection and perception system, paired with a powerful motor brushless design. Number 3. Genuine A1 or 3S Drone. Fully perceive the surrounding environment, reduce the risk of flight collision, and easy to control even for beginners. High-definition image quality with beauty effects, ensuring high-quality pictures for scenery and portrait shooting. 1500 m image transmission distance, stable signal, and real-time flight picture viewing without delay. Support automatic return, low battery return, and one-click return to avoid drone loss. 7.4V 3000 mAh lithium battery, with a single flight time of about 25 minutes, meeting the needs of long-time aerial photography. The remote control has a built-in HD screen, allowing you to view flight parameters and pictures without connecting to a mobile phone. The camera can adjust the angle electrically, supporting 90 degrees follow shooting to capture more perspectives. Including fixed-point flight, surround flight, and optical flow hovering, meeting the needs of different aerial photography scenarios.